Okay. Now, so peach I can touch, gray I can't touch. That's okay, I've got that. It's 10% or the 1%, whatever. 10% less than 250 different. I just had to be on the phone for 2+ hours working stuff out. Right now, I want to drive the RC around. Woo! I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna circle. You ready? Go. I'm gonna put it in high speed mode. Did I rip that thing off? Let's stick it right back on. Didn't even hit the ramp good. Oh, it's too much speed, man. Hello, stop moving. Watch this. Now I don't have to worry about something falling off of it. Here we go.
What is that? Does that have no speed at all?
Oh no, did the wheel just break? Hold on. I'm going. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah! I broke the other wheel off. Let's see if we can jump it over the pool. Come on, we can't swim. We gotta go to North Topsail. Let's go! Now we're going to North Topsail. We're going to go see an oceanfront property. Wow, wow. So we're going to check that out. We're going to kind of see what's going on. And then we have an eclipse. You see this? Look at that view over there. Wide open. But what I want to show you is this. Guess what's on the other side of that dune? The ocean. And you're going to see that when we take the drone up. This oceanfront lot. So we've got surveys on it, we've got CAMA setbacks on it, all of that. You can build a 5,000+ square foot home here. Right here. Just an amazing oceanfront lot. There's not a ton of them available that actually you can build a large home on. This you can build a large home on. So I wish I could buy this lot and build a house on it, but unfortunately I can't because I just bought a brokerage, I just bought another rental, so I can't. But dude, how awesome would it be to be right here? How awesome would it be? Come on, man, that's too late now. She's into it, and yikes, brother, yikes. I gotta go for a skate down by the water. 3862 Island Drive. This lot, oceanfront lot, is ready for you. Yes, it's $700,000, this lot. Oceanfront. What's gonna happen with this lot in 10 years, Topsail Island? This place is exploding. Don't miss your opportunity. This is an amazing spot, an amazing lot. Don't miss out. Contact me if you want more information. I was serious about skating though, so let's go. But first, I want to take you up a little bit north, take a quick little look, and then we're gonna go skating. Dude, look at that. God, is it blue. I am so lucky to live here. If you don't live here, you might be lucky, but you're not as lucky as this. You're just not. You're just not. Burnouts and smoky biscuits. Let's go. Sometimes I wish I still drove a stick, you know? Just have that ability to kind of shift gears, clutch a little, you know, play with it a little bit. Automatic, you can choose, but it's not the same. So if I could share a little real estate tip with you, it would be, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. If you're thinking about buying now to upgrade, to move somewhere, do it. If you're thinking about investing now, do it. Nothing has gotten cheaper except for maybe some technology. So my tip for you today, in terms of real estate, buy now so you don't regret later. 10 years ago when you were thinking about buying, if you had bought, where would you be today? Way ahead of the curve, right? Dude, it is so spooky out right now. I love it. So it's eclipse time. We're out here with the family. We're looking up. We're seeing what's going on. We have our welding helmets. Oh, shit. For sure, the best way to look at an eclipse is with your welding helmet. All right, eclipses, North Topsail Beach and RC cars. Thanks for watching. As always, I appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, peace.